What's up, everybody? It's your tech guy here, back with a big one. The beast is finally here, the brand new Apple MacBook Pro lineup. And trust me, this is not your average spec bump. We're talking about a whole new design language, crazy powerful M4 chips, and features that seem straight out of the future. Whether you're a creative pro, a coding ninja, or just someone who wants the best of the best, this MacBook Pro is calling your name. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the star of the show, the M4 chip. We've got the M4, the M4 Pro, and the beast itself, the M4 Max. Apple's Silicon team has outdone themselves, packing in more power and efficiency than we thought possible. And the best part? All of this power sips battery life like a hummingbird. So, are you ready to dive deep into the future of laptops? We're about to break down everything you need to know about the new MacBook Pro lineup. We'll cover the design, the ports, the display, the battery life, the performance, and everything in between. Let's go. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. Apple hasn't reinvented the wheel here. They've maintained the beloved MacBook Pro design for the fourth year in a row, with minor incremental polishes every year. The bezels around the display are slim, giving you more screen real estate. The boxy shape looks professional and clean, and the overall build screams with quality. Maybe the only complaint some users scream off is that notch, which I don't mind, to be frank. But getting rid of that notch is a welcome change to be expected in the coming years. Or maybe the introduction of Face ID to better justify it. Still, in my mind, the current Apple MacBook Pro looks and feels so premium and professional. Apple might settle with this design for another couple of years. This design is the answer to many complaints about the predecessor design. I'm so happy that Apple has listened to our feedback, and they've brought back some ports with this design that were sorely missed. Let's start with the basics. You've got your Thunderbolt 4 or Thunderbolt 5 ports for the higher models, which are faster and more versatile than ever before. Apple has also brought back the HDMI port, which is a godsend for anyone who connects their MacBook to an external monitor, projector, or even a TV. And if you're a photographer or videographer, you'll be happy to know that the SD card slot is back as well. The new MacBook Pro also includes a headphone jack, so you can keep using your favorite wired headphones without an adapter. The new MacBook Pro is a connectivity powerhouse, with all the ports you need to stay connected and productive on the go. No more adapters, no more fuss. Now let's talk about something that's always been a major concern for laptop users: battery life. Apple has somehow managed to cram even more battery life into these machines, and it's seriously impressive. We're talking about all-day battery life, folks. And I'm not talking about your average casual web browsing, light work kind of day. The new M4 chips are incredibly power efficient. Apple has optimized the software to work seamlessly with the hardware, further reducing power consumption. With the new MacBook Pro, you have the freedom to work and play wherever your heart desires. But it's not just about power and performance, folks. Apple has also upped the ante when it comes to security and privacy. The new MacBook Pro comes equipped with Apple's most advanced security features yet, including the beloved Touch ID. The new MacBook Pro also features Apple's T2 security chip, which provides an extra layer of protection for your data. Alright, let's talk about the experience of using this beast. Apple has always been known for their incredible displays, and the new MacBook Pro takes it to a whole new level. We're talking about a Liquid Retina XDR display that's so bright, so vibrant, and so sharp, you'll forget you're looking at a laptop screen. The eye-popping Liquid Retina XDR display offers 1,600 nits peak HDR brightness, and now provides up to 1,000 nits of brightness for SDR content in bright light, so you can see what's on your screen more clearly outside. Apple has also upgraded the audio system on the new MacBook Pro, and it's imposing. For the camera, Apple upgraded it to an advanced 12MP center stage camera. We're talking about a 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers that delivers rich, immersive audio. Apple has really gone above and beyond with the multimedia experience on the new MacBook Pro. Now let's talk about something that really sets Apple apart from the competition, the Apple ecosystem. If you're already using an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, then you know how seamlessly all of your Apple devices work together. You can answer calls from your iPhone on your MacBook Pro, copy and paste text and images between devices with Universal Clipboard, and even unlock your MacBook Pro with your Apple Watch. And let's not forget about iCloud, which keeps all of your files, photos, and documents synced across all of your devices. Apple has truly created an ecosystem that's greater than the sum of its parts, and the new MacBook Pro is the perfect example of that. All right, folks, it's time to talk about the heart of the beast, the M4 chip family. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a whole new ballgame. We've got 3 variants this time, the M4, the M4 Pro, and the M4 Max. Each one is a powerhouse in its own right, designed to cater to different needs and workflows. The M4 is the baseline chip, but don't let that fool you. Whether you're editing photos, browsing the web, or crunching numbers in a spreadsheet, the M4 will handle it all with ease. Let's break down the specs, shall we? The M4 packs a 10-core CPU with 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. For graphics, you're looking at a 10-core GPU that can drive multiple external displays and handle graphics-intensive apps with ease. Moving on to the M4 Pro, things get even more interesting. This chip comes in 2 configurations: a 14-core CPU with 10 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, or a 12-core CPU with 8 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. This binned version is only available with the 14-inch MacBook Pro. On the graphics front, you can choose between a 20-core GPU or a 16-core GPU for the binned version. And then there's the beast itself, the M4 Max. This chip comes in 2 configurations: a 16-core CPU with 12 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, or the binned version with a 14-core CPU with 10 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. On the graphics front, you can choose between a 40-core GPU or a 32-core GPU for the binned version. The M4 Max also excels on the media engine angle. It has 2 video encode engines, 2 ProRes encode and decode engines. All right, folks, we've talked about the specs, we've drooled over the design. Now let's get down to brass tacks. How does the M4 family actually perform in the real world? Well, I've got my hands on some benchmark results, and let me tell you, these numbers are about to melt your face off. First up, we've got Geekbench 6, the industry standard for measuring CPU performance. The M4, even the base model, absolutely crushes the competition. And when you move up to the M4 Pro and M4 Max, well, let's just say those scores are in a whole different stratosphere. We're talking about desktop class performance in a laptop, folks. Geekbench Glory. Let's dive into some specific numbers, shall we? The M4 scored an incredible 3,816 in single-core and 14980 in multi-core. The M4 Pro and M4 Max take it even further, with jaw-dropping scores. The M4 Pro scored an even more incredible 3,966 in single-core and 22605 in multi-core. The beast M4 Max scored takes it to a whole new level with 4,001 in single-core and 26412 in multi-core. These numbers are not comparable with any laptop currently on the market. Only desktops can battle here. It showcases the sheer power and efficiency of Apple's M4 architecture. For your reference, here are all the test results of Geekbench 6 for all M4 variants. It's truly mind-blowing. Is it the creative powerhouse? Benchmark scores only tell part of the story. What about real-world performance in creative applications? Well, I'm happy to report that the M4 family excels in that department as well. In Cinebench 2024 CPU test, the M4 scored 171 in a single core and 1002 in multi-core. The M4 Pro scored 178 in single core and 1743 in multi-core. And the M4 Max achieved a score of 181 in single core and an incredible 2042 in multi-core, showcasing its prowess in rendering and content creation tasks. And when it comes to GPU performance, the M4's 10-core GPU managed a respectable 3,978, delivering smooth performance in graphics-intensive applications. But it's in the higher-end M4 Pro and M4 Max configurations where things get really interesting for creative professionals. The M4 Pro, with its 20-core GPU, absolutely blazed through Cinebench 2024 GPU test, achieving scores of 9,272. And the M4 Max, well, let's just say it obliterated the competition. The 40-core M4 Max achieved a mind-blowing 16399 in Cinebench 2024 GPU test. These scores translate to real-world performance gains in creative applications, allowing professionals to work faster and more efficiently than ever before. For your reference, here are all the test results of Cinebench 2024 for all M4 variants. Battery life for days. Now let's talk about battery life. Apple has always been known for making laptops with impressive battery life, and the new MacBook Pro with the M4 chip family takes it to a whole new level. In our testing, the M4-powered MacBook Pro lasted for an incredible 18 hours and 30 minutes on a single charge during non-stop web browsing at 150 nits of brightness. That's right, folks. You can leave your charger at home and power through a full workday without breaking a sweat. And if you need even more juice, the M4 Pro and M4 Max models take things even further. The M4 Max models, despite their power-hungry GPUs, still delivered an outstanding 19 hours and 50 minutes of battery life. That's 1 hour and 20 minutes longer than the M4. The M4 Pro was even better, lasting a whopping 21 hours. That's 2 hours and 30 minutes longer than the M4. These numbers are simply unheard of in laptops with this level of performance. Apple's M4 chip architecture, combined with its optimized software and larger battery capacities, has resulted in laptops that can truly last all day and then some. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or just someone who values portability, the new MacBook Pro's battery life won't disappoint. Is it upgrade time? Now, I know what you're thinking. Should you rush out and buy the new MacBook Pro right this second? Well, hold your horses for a minute. It all depends on what you're currently using and what you need. If you have a MacBook Pro from 2020 or earlier, the upgrade is a no-brainer. The performance gains alone are worth it. But if you have a 2022 or 2023 model, the decision is more nuanced. You can probably hold off for another year or two. But if you demand the best performance, the new MacBook Pro might be worth it. Let's break it down a bit further, shall we? If you're a creative professional, the new MacBook Pro is a game changer. The M4 Pro and M4 Max chips will supercharge your workflow. For software developers, it's a huge upgrade. Even for everyday users, the performance and battery life are noticeable upgrades. If you love the latest tech, it's worth considering. But if you're happy with your current machine, you can wait. The decision to upgrade is personal and depends on your needs and budget. So, we've reached the moment of truth. The new MacBook Pro lineup is incredible, no doubt about it. But choosing the right one can feel overwhelming with 3 different M4 chip options, 2 screen sizes, and a bunch of configurations. Don't worry, I got you. First, let's talk chips. The M4 is the everyday hero. It's powerful enough for most users, handling everything from web browsing and email to photo editing and light video work. If you're a student, a casual user, or someone who needs a reliable and efficient machine, the M4 MacBook Pro is a fantastic choice. Now for the power users, the M4 Pro is calling your name. This chip is a beast, handling demanding tasks like professional video editing, 3D rendering, and software development without breaking a sweat. If you're a creative professional, a hardcore gamer, or someone who needs the absolute best performance, the M4 Pro is the way to go. And then there's the M4 Max. This chip is in a league of its own, designed for those who demand the absolute best of the best. If you're working with 8K video, complex 3D models, or massive data sets, the M4 Max will handle it all with ease. This is the ultimate powerhouse, reserved for those who refuse to compromise on performance. Now let's talk screen size. The 14-inch MacBook Pro is incredibly portable, perfect for those who are always on the go. It's compact enough to slip into a backpack or messenger bag, yet it still offers a spacious and immersive display. If portability is your top priority, the 14-inch model is the way to go. But if you crave screen real estate, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is the ultimate productivity machine. The larger display is perfect for multitasking, creative work, and immersive entertainment. Plus, you get a larger battery, which means even more time away from the outlet. If you don't mind the extra size and weight, the 16-inch model is a dream to use. Ultimately, the choice between the 14-inch and 16-inch models comes down to your personal preferences and how you plan to use your MacBook Pro. Both models are incredibly capable, so you really can't go wrong either way. Finally, let's talk colors. Apple has stuck with two color options, silver and space black. Both colors look absolutely stunning on the new MacBook Pro's sleek and minimalist design. Silver is a timeless classic, offering a clean and professional aesthetic. It's the perfect choice if you want your MacBook Pro to blend in with any environment and will hold better against stretches in the long run. Space black, on the other hand, is the more modern and stealthy option. It's the perfect choice if you want your MacBook Pro to make a statement. Ultimately, the choice between silver and space black comes down to your personal preference. So there you have it, folks. The new MacBook Pro lineup is nothing short of incredible. With its blazing fast performance, stunning displays, and all-day battery life, it's the ultimate laptop for creative professionals, students, and everyday users alike. No matter which configuration you choose, you're getting a machine that's built to last and designed to inspire. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and discussions. Let me know in the comments which MacBook Pro you're eyeing up and why. Until next time, peace out.